Jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua owachoni saa koro chopo ma piny Kenya nyaka gol pache keto geno mare koth masiro chenro mag pur kanoloso e romo kod jokanyo mopogore opogore okinyi ma kawuono. Migosi Gachagua nowacho ni keto geno e koth emomiyo chiemo koso e pacho ka e kinde oro. Nomedo ni loko chenro mag pur ma pacho ka ema dhi bedo tich mokwongo ma jatend migawo Mithika Linturi dhi kawo kendo one ni okete tim.
We cannot have a thriving economy if one section of our community is left out. This calls us all to support those affected through the provision of food, assistance to the households that are currently food insecure, ensuring that we are taking care of the severely and moderately malnourished, as well as the livestock which have been heavily impacted.
The dire situation we are in calls for robust, sustainable and long-lasting solutions to drive Kenya into an agricultural powerhouse. This is because we have a lot of land suitable for crop and animal production into surplus. When we reach the surplus production, it will support our economy beyond the current contribution of 22.4% to the GDP, while creating more than 40% of jobs. We must no longer rely on rain-fed agriculture amid threats of climate change and other calamities like locust invasions.